So you're gonna get your interfacing for, this is number 4, and then your interfacing for number 5. So number 4 should have been cut on the fold. You just get your interfacing. So if you feel it, this feels kind of rough, this feels smooth. So you want to lay the rough side down like this on here. See if it's going to come out right, y'all. It should, because it doesn't look like it wants to, but I don't know why, because I cut it to this. Why it doesn't want to, I don't know. Let's go up. I still don't know. Let's see. Because it was cut directly with this. I don't know, y'all. Let's see. But that's how I cut it. Again, when I make mistakes, I'm gonna let everybody see, like, okay, so I made a mistake, but we don't know how the mistake was made at all. Nope. Clueless to that. Oh, there it goes. It's on there. Okay, so let's try it again, everybody. I'm kind of lost for words right here. Okay, so I want to iron the facing on. Okay, let's do it this way, y'all. I'm perplexed. See here? Yep, that's the side I want to iron to it. Let me see, did I cut it this way? No. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, that might be recut. We gotta try to figure that one out. I'm perplexed with that. Okay, so we're gonna take 5, lay it down. Again, feel the facing. The gritty side goes down, because that's the side that's gonna stick. Okay, get your iron. Iron it down. There we go. So, up. Your facing is on there, nice. So just set it over there, and then get your other side of your number 5. Put it right there. Go ahead and feel. You want this side down. And then iron it. Ironed and set it over there. Okay, so as you know, number 4, I don't know what number 4 was doing, because I literally took the facing off from the cut when I did it. So I don't know what happened. I might have to go in and recut it again, and then I will, yeah, I'm just gonna go recut it again, which is not a problem. Yeah, go recut it again, and then I'll meet everybody back at the sewing machine, because we have to sew 4 and 5 together, and we have to do a, let me see, top stitch on it. So I'll meet you guys in a minute, but I'm gonna go ahead and recut this and see what I did wrong. Okay, toodles.